so glad you found my channel, Sweet Uniquities, where everything I do here is always sweet and custom for an event, making it a true uniquity. There have been a few times over the years where I have needed a very specific cupcake topper. And like, for example, one time I had someone that wanted me to try to make a cupcake topper out of a specific piece of jewelry. That sounds really challenging. However, there is a way to do that. And with this product called Mold Putty, you can do your own fondant molds. There are many companies that make fantastic molds out there, and if you can find what you're looking for, which generally you can, if you can get it fast enough, you know, by the time you need it to get your project done, great. And if you can afford it, because sometimes these molds can get very expensive, awesome. Go ahead and order it on your own. But today I wanted to show you a really quick and easy way to make your own molds if you do need something very specific. The neat thing, the really cool thing about this brand is that it is food safe, and not all mold makers are food grade. So I think that is super important if you're going to be providing a product to people that could possibly eat the toppers, that it is going to be safe for them to consume. So so I will show you how to do this, and truly in like less than 30 minutes you're going to have a custom mold, which is way faster than even Amazon Prime can get it to you. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you'll consider subscribing and coming back and seeing me. But for today, let's jump into today's project. I'm gonna link this product down below through Amazon. I will tell you that it is about $20. You can get it at Hobby Lobby, and if it's on sale, I mean, you know, it's a bummer they don't have the coupons anymore. Michael's may still carry it, but just again, be mindful. There's other brands out there, but you're gonna wanna look for a food safe product, a food grade product. Now, the nice thing about this brand is, I will tell you, I've not done a custom mold for probably 2 years, maybe longer. And I would have guessed that when I opened this up that it would have been hard and no good, but that is not the case. So even though this runs about $20, because it's a cupcake topper and it's a small thing, this goes a long way. You can make a lot of things. If you want something larger, of course you're gonna use more putty, but if you don't use it all in one setting, it lasts a long time. So it's a good thing to have in a pinch. So today I'm gonna be doing the key. I'm not gonna need a lot because the main thing I wanna do is get the detail. And that's the thing, if what you're making needs a lot of detail or has a lot of detail, you wanna make sure that that gets impressed into the mold. I don't know if you've seen any of my videos where I've done anything with crowns. I did one for Joe Exotic because, you know, he is the king of the jungle. He deserved a crown. And then I also did one for the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, which was a new video. So I will link those 2 videos down below. But the crown mold that I did in that video, I'm gonna go grab it, was one that I made out of a little crown toy. So I'll go grab that, show that to you, and then we'll whip this one together and you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, Sweet Uniquities, that is amazing. So hang tight when I go grab that. Okay, now I'm back. So this is a mold that I made, and you can see all the detail in there because I pressed it in there really well. And I wish I would have kept one of those cupcake toppers, but so you could see it finished. But this is how it started. It was just a little kid's toy, like one of those party favor things. I think it had like a comb on it. It was like something you could put like here, and it had like a comb. I should have kept that. That would have been so cool. I could totally use a crown. But anyway, we all know I'm the queen. But anyway, so I used this, and then you just press it in there to make your mold, and voila, you'll have one. And then the neat thing is that whenever for this mold, whenever you take the fondant out of here, then you can push it around like this so that the crown actually looks like a crown. So that is cool. If you really want to see that, which I think you should, check out those 2 videos down below because they're good ones. Okay, so let's get started on making this key mold for fondant. Taking equal parts from each container, mix them up really well until the color is all yellow. You don't want to see any gray left. Once it's combined well, press it down, wrap it around your trinket, making sure you get all the details, and then you wait for 20 minutes. So now I have 20 minutes and I am going to, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna make a sandwich. What am I gonna do? Got 20 minutes. I have 20 minutes and so it's been 20 minutes and here is the key in the mold. And if you take the key out, there is the mold. So now it's ready to use, and what I have here is some white fondant that has been mixed with some CMC powder, and the CMC powder just helps add strength and hardening power to the fondant. It makes it sort of like gum paste. So, okay, so because this is a very shallow mold, we're not gonna need a lot. So I'm gonna turn the camera down so you can see me fill it, but it really isn't gonna take very much. It's gonna be great.
After the fondant has dried and has hardened, it's ready to be painted. And just like that, you have a custom mold design. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up. I really hope you have a sweet and unique day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.